Okay, this is part 3, final part. The board certified nephrologist that they consulted for his expert opinion on the normal exam procedure of a patient with kidney stones stated that there's absolutely no need to ever examine underneath the patient's underwear. That basically just the exam for kidney stones is going to involve palpation of the bladder and the flank, and that's it besides imaging. They also consulted a expert practitioner, board certified in family medicine and addiction medicine, who has extensive experience in evaluating and treating physicians with sexual misconduct, reviewed all of this information, and it was of their opinion that allowing him to continue to practice would not only be an imminent threat to the residents of Mississippi, but to any patient that should enter his care, regardless of location. So Mississippi or anywhere. So taking these 2 expert opinions into account, along with the accounts of the victims, the Mississippi Board of Medical Licensure determined that allowing him to continue to practice would pose an imminent threat to public health and safety, and so his license was temporarily suspended, but that has been continued. A final decision has been continued until January because they're going to allow for more victims possibly to come forward. And Mississippi's Attorney General Lynn Fitch has requested that any other victims, potential victims, to please come forward, because we all know that sexual predators typically don't stop with 1 or 2 victims. So it's really nice to see that UMMC and the Mississippi Board of Medical Licensure is taking this very seriously, as they should, and putting patients first and protecting the patients. And I also want to say this: if you are a victim of SA, please find someone that you can trust, that you can reach out to and tell your story so that the cycle can stop. Furthermore, as a parent, when you take your child to the doctor or the dentist, any place like that, don't leave them. I know dentists, especially pediatric dentists, like to have the child back by themselves, but that always made me uncomfortable when Bella was. So as a parent, just make sure that you are observing these things.